Y'all, I ain't even make it home yet, y'all. Windshield tinted. My two sides are on 2%. Then on the back as well is also 5. Now I got the carbon fiber. It appears way blacker, y'all. So you gotta get that taken care of. Gotta take that off. This shit don't make no sense.
Sideways, cool be out my body. Whole click pull up and vets, bitch.
Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe.
How you living? How you feeling? Versatile Squad, y'all. If y'all new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, y'all. Give this video a big thumbs up. We're gonna get straight into it. So you're here because you're thinking about wrapping your car, right? First thing you want to consider is, do you want to wrap half of your car or do you want to wrap all of your car? Half the car equals half the price, right? That didn't go as planned for me, y'all, and I'm gonna explain that later in this video. And if your car is right for, you know, the two-faced look, that all just depends on you, y'all. Second, do you want to have like a simple color wrap? Because that matters, y'all. Y'all can just go black, just white, you know, color changing. All this plays effect when thinking about getting your car wrapped. If you go with a design like this, y'all, I went Venom design, if y'all can't tell. Show y'all the spider on the hood. You go Venom design, you're gonna need a designer, which is a render. The render is gonna help design the PDF, the file for the print, y'all. So depending on what your what kind of design you want to do, it's gonna depend on the cost, the details you want to add, all of that, y'all. Everything goes in effect. Like, I got the carbon fiber with in between the weaving, y'all. Then you got the spider webbing going down the side of the car. For something like this, for me, for my render, this was around $600. Since for the whole car he does charge $1,200, I got half the wrap, what I say, half the price. So instead of $1,200, I ended up paying $600 for him to design this wrap for my car. And this is just the design, y'all. Third thing you're going to do, you want, or fourth, my bad, excuse me, fourth. Find a place that you want to print from, y'all. Think about what kind of material y'all want. For me, I got gloss black, and the shop that I printed it from, they ended up charging me $1,500 just to print on the gloss black material, y'all. But then again, my wrap guy, the shop that I took it to go get wrapped, he ended up having to print it for me. So I don't know if that price is correct. So that's another thing. You should shop around print shops and compare different prices, y'all, because different material, different prices. Because what I really wanted to do is have it reflective, y'all. Have the webbing reflecting at night. That would have been crazy.
but that price was going to be around what I paid for the gloss black, and I didn't even know, y'all. I ended up talking with somebody else, this other guy who got a Venom wrap, and he ended up paying the same price that I did for half the wrap of the car, and he got the reflective material. So that's why it's very good. You should shop around, y'all. Don't just go with your first instinct or your second. Really shop around and compare prices before you just jump into an expensive mod like this, if you would even consider this a mod, y'all. And the very last thing I would consider, y'all, is y'all doing your research on the wrap guy, y'all. Find a wrap shop, a reputable wrap shop that knows what they're doing, because there's little imperfections in my wrap. Don't let the excitement overwhelm you when you do get your car wrapped, y'all. Really look around your car and check every little detail, because I was really just excited to get my car wrapped. I feel like there's some things for the money that my wrap guy could have did better. Like, he could have tucked the wrap on the door better. He didn't tuck this at all. He tucked other parts of the car, which I don't understand. Like for the hood, he tucked the hood right here. He tucked underneath here. By the way, this was actually peeling. By the time I got home, this was peeling. I had to tuck it up even more, y'all. Just pay very attention to detail, y'all, when y'all do pick up your car from the wrap guy, because you might end up disappointed like me a little bit. But at the end of the day, happy I got my car back, y'all. I'm happy it's wrapped. He did say he was going to fix things, so hoping he holds up his end of the deal. We're going to see when we, it's time to head back to Austin, y'all. But if y'all considering a wrap, y'all, be sure to do y'all research. That is the biggest thing about this video. If y'all don't take anything else from this video, make sure y'all take research into consideration. Y'all do y'all research if y'all spending this amount of money on your car. But that's gonna be it for this one, y'all. If y'all haven't already, make sure y'all go check out my brother's channel, JR Productions. He does call this car the White Mamba. That's why he got the Mamba right here, and then the JR dripping. Right now, you can get this in any color wave that you want to before February 12th, I believe, which is his birthday. And also go check out my brother's channel, East So Easy. He giving out free motivation, y'all, for anybody that needs it, anybody going through stuff, anybody going through a hard time, y'all. But with that being said, that's gonna be it for this one. My bad. Before we go check out my other brother, Back to the Money, y'all. It's gonna pop up right here. But that's gonna be it for this one, y'all. Y'all remember to stay versatile, treat each day like it's y'all Friday, man, and go at it like it's y'all last, because y'all can be just like me, y'all. With your dream car and an amazing wrap. We out.